Revamping your indoor plant collection.
Welcome back, plant lovers. Today, we have something exciting in store for you. Get ready to transform your indoor plant collection into a flourishing paradise with our expert guidance. In this video, we'll be delving into the captivating world of indoor gardening, revamping your space with new plant varieties, breathtaking arrangements, and innovative care techniques. Join us as we unveil the art of showcasing your indoor plants in unique and eye-catching ways. Plus, we'll be discussing the incredible benefits of indoor gardening on your well-being. So, stay tuned until the end, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to become a part of our growing GreenThumb Gurus community. Let's dive into the green revolution together.
Enhancing the aesthetics of your indoor space with new plant varieties.
When it comes to enhancing the aesthetics of your indoor space, incorporating new plant varieties can be a game changer. Not only do they add a pop of color and freshness, but they also bring life and vibrancy to any room. The beauty of indoor plants lies not only in their visual appeal but also in their ability to purify the air and create a calming environment. One interesting fact about indoor plants is their diverse range of colors and shapes. From delicate ferns with their lacy leaves to the bold and bright blooms of tropical flowers, there is a plant variety to suit every style and preference. By carefully selecting different plant species, you can create a harmonious blend of textures and patterns, adding depth and dimension to your indoor space. Another compelling reason to explore new plant varieties is the health benefits they provide. Indoor plants have been shown to reduce stress, improve mood, and increase productivity. They release oxygen while absorbing carbon dioxide, creating a healthier and more breathable atmosphere in your home. Plus, certain plant species, such as the popular snake plant or peace lily, are known for their ability to filter out toxins and purify the air you breathe. Introducing new plant varieties can also be an opportunity for personal growth and learning. As you explore different species and care for them, you'll develop a deeper appreciation for nature and gain new insights into the fascinating world of plants. You might discover hidden talents for gardening or find fulfillment in nurturing and watching your plant collection thrive. Ultimately, enhancing the aesthetics of your indoor space with new plant varieties goes beyond mere decoration. It's about creating a nurturing environment that benefits both your physical and mental well-being. So, why not embark on a journey of botanical exploration and bring a touch of nature indoors? The rewards are not only visual but also deeply enriching.
Transforming your indoor garden into a calming oasis with fresh plant arrangements.
Creating a calming oasis in your indoor garden can be achieved by strategically arranging fresh plant arrangements. It's not just about the visual appeal, but also the calming atmosphere that these arrangements can bring into your space. By incorporating certain elements and following a few key principles, you can transform your indoor garden into a sanctuary of tranquility. One interesting fact to consider is the use of aromatic plants in your fresh plant arrangements. Beyond their decorative value, plants such as lavender, jasmine, or eucalyptus can release soothing scents that promote relaxation and stress relief. The gentle aroma can fill the air, creating a serene ambiance in your indoor oasis. Additionally, these plants have been known to aid in better sleep quality, making them perfect additions to your bedroom or meditation space. Another important aspect of creating a calming oasis is the arrangement of plants with different heights, textures, and colors. This diversity adds visual interest and creates depth in your indoor garden. Consider incorporating tall plants like palm trees or dracaenas as focal points, surrounded by smaller foliage plants or cascading vines. This layering effect replicates the natural look of a jungle or forest and enhances the overall tranquility of the space. One effective technique for achieving a calm environment in your indoor garden is through the use of natural materials in your plant arrangements. Opt for eco-friendly pots or containers made from materials like bamboo or clay. These natural elements not only add an earthy touch but also contribute to a sense of grounding and connection with nature. Additionally, using organic soil and mulch can provide a healthier and more nourishing environment for your plants, enhancing their growth and vitality. By focusing on the arrangement of fresh plants in your indoor garden, you can create a soothing and restorative environment. Whether you choose to incorporate fragrant plants, play with various textures and colors, or opt for natural materials, the key is to create a space that brings you a sense of peace and relaxation. So, take the time to curate your plant arrangements and let their beauty and tranquility envelop your indoor oasis.
Unveiling innovative plant care techniques for a lush and vibrant indoor collection.
To maintain a lush and vibrant indoor plant collection, it's essential to unveil innovative plant care techniques that go beyond the basics. By implementing these techniques, you can ensure the health, growth, and overall beauty of your indoor plants. Let's explore some interesting facts and details that can revolutionize your plant care routine and help you achieve a thriving indoor oasis. One innovative technique is the use of water propagation. Instead of relying solely on traditional methods such as soil and pots, you can propagate certain plants by placing cuttings in water. This process allows the plants to develop new roots before being transferred to soil. Not only is water propagation a fascinating process to witness, but it also promotes faster root development and can increase the success rate of propagation. You can experiment with a variety of plants like pothos, spider plants, or philodendrons, and watch as their roots grow in a clear glass container filled with water. Another intriguing technique is utilizing grow lights for your indoor plants. While natural sunlight is ideal, sometimes our indoor spaces don't receive adequate light for certain plants to thrive. Grow lights, which emit specific wavelengths of light that plants need for photosynthesis, can be a game changer. LED grow lights, in particular, are energy efficient and can mimic both the intensity and spectrum of natural sunlight. This means you can provide your plants with the optimal light conditions for growth and flowering, no matter the season or location of your indoor garden. Additionally, incorporating nutrient-rich fertilizers can significantly enhance the health and vitality of your indoor plants. While regular fertilizers can be effective, using organic fertilizers or creating your own homemade fertilizers can take plant care to the next level. For example, compost tea, made from nutrient-rich compost steeped in water, provides a gentle yet potent source of nourishment for plants. Organic fertilizers derived from natural sources such as seaweed or worm castings are also excellent choices. These innovative fertilizing techniques ensure that your plants receive essential nutrients in a sustainable and eco-friendly manner. By unveiling these innovative plant care techniques, you can transform your indoor plant collection into a lush and vibrant haven. From water propagation to the use of effective grow lights and nutrient-rich fertilizers, these practices offer new and exciting ways to nurture your plants. Embracing innovation in plant care allows you to push the boundaries of traditional methods and achieve remarkable results in the growth and appearance of your indoor oasis. So, let's continue to explore and implement these techniques to unlock the full potential of your indoor plant collection.
Exploring unique ways to display and showcase your indoor plants.
When it comes to indoor plants, finding unique ways to display and showcase them can enhance their visual appeal and create a stunning focal point in any space. Let's delve into some interesting facts, details, and reasons why exploring creative plant display ideas can elevate the overall aesthetics of your indoor haven. One captivating way to showcase your indoor plants is by incorporating vertical gardens or living walls. These innovative plant installations not only maximize space utilization but also bring a touch of nature indoors. Vertical gardens can be created using various methods such as modular planting systems, trellises, or even repurposed materials like pallets. By going vertical, you can transform a blank wall into a vibrant tapestry of foliage, adding texture, depth, and a sense of lushness to your indoor environment. Not only are living walls visually striking, but they also provide numerous benefits, including improved air quality and natural insulation. Another unique way to display indoor plants is by incorporating hanging planters and macrame plant hangers. Hanging plants not only save valuable floor or tabletop space but also add an element of whimsy and vertical interest. You can choose from a wide range of hanging planters made from materials like ceramic, macrame, or even repurposed containers. Hang them from the ceiling, walls, or even within windows to create an eye-catching display. Macrame plant hangers, with their intricate knotted designs, also lend a bohemian and artistic touch to your indoor space. Experiment with different plant varieties and trailing foliage to create a cascading effect that adds elegance and charm to any room. Additionally, incorporating terrariums and glass containers is a unique way to showcase your indoor plants while creating a captivating miniature world. Terrariums are self-contained ecosystems, typically enclosed in glass containers, that provide a controlled environment for plants to thrive. These miniature gardens are not only visually appealing but also require minimal maintenance. You can select a variety of plants, ranging from succulents to mosses, and arrange them within the glass enclosure. Terrariums are a great option for those who enjoy a touch of greenery but have limited space or prefer low-maintenance plant displays. By exploring these unique ways to display and showcase your indoor plants, you can elevate the aesthetics of your indoor space in a distinct and personalized manner. Incorporate vertical gardens, hanging planters, and macrame hangers to make the most of vertical space while adding visual interest. Embrace the art of terrariums and glass containers to create captivating miniature worlds within your home. Each creative plant display idea not only enhances the beauty of your indoor plants but also allows you to express your personal style and create a captivating ambiance that brings the wonders of nature indoors.
Discovering the benefits of indoor gardening and its positive impact on well-being.
Indoor gardening not only adds natural beauty to your living spaces but also offers numerous benefits that positively impact your well-being. Let's dive into some interesting facts, details, and reasons why discovering the world of indoor gardening can have a profound effect on your mental and physical health. One of the key benefits of indoor gardening is its ability to reduce stress and improve mental well-being. Studies have shown that spending time surrounded by plants can decrease stress levels, lower blood pressure, and increase overall happiness. The act of tending to plants and watching them grow can provide a sense of purpose and accomplishment, promoting feelings of relaxation and calm. Indoor gardening also offers an opportunity for mindfulness and meditation as you connect with nature and focus on the present moment. Indoor plants do more than just bring a touch of green to your environment, they also purify the air you breathe. Plants naturally filter and remove toxins from the air, improving indoor air quality. They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, creating a healthier and more oxygen-rich atmosphere. Some plants, such as snake plants and peace lilies, are particularly efficient in removing harmful pollutants like benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. By having a variety of indoor plants, you can create a cleaner and fresher living space. Indoor gardening also offers the opportunity to grow your own fresh produce, even in limited spaces. You can cultivate herbs, vegetables, or even dwarf fruit trees indoors, providing yourself with a fresh and sustainable source of organic food. Growing your own food can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience, promoting a sense of self-sufficiency and reducing reliance on store-bought produce. Additionally, consuming homegrown fruits and vegetables ensures that you're eating nutritious and pesticide-free food, contributing to a healthier diet. By discovering and embracing indoor gardening, you can experience the multitude of benefits it offers. Reduced stress levels, improved air quality, and the ability to grow your own food are just some of the advantages that positively impact your well-being. Embrace the beauty of indoor plants and create your own green oasis, knowing that you are not only enhancing your living space but also nurturing your mind, body, and soul.
Revamping your indoor plant collection.
Thanks for joining us on this green journey. Discover the endless possibilities of indoor gardening with our Revamping Your Indoor Plant Collection video. Explore new plant varieties, innovative care techniques, and creative ways to showcase your plants. Don't miss out. Subscribe and hit that like button to join our thriving GreenThumb Gurus community. Let's continue cultivating inspiration together.